My name is Jafar Shah और हम यहाँ से 30 दिनों से पढ़ रहे हैं और हमने यहाँ पर बहुत कुछ सीख लिया है। पहले हमें उर्दू में नाम बताते थे, अब हम इंग्लिश में नाम भी बता सकते हैं और अपने पाकिस्तान जो ज़िले पाकिस्तान हमारा मुल्क का नाम भी इंग्लिश में बता सकते हैं। माई कंट्री है पाकिस्तान। यहाँ पर सिर्फ इंग्लिश सिखाते हैं, इंग्लिश के बगैर कोई बात नहीं, उर्दू में बात नहीं करती तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हमें समझ आती है।
What is your name?
My name is Jafar Shah.
Which country do you live in?
My country is Pakistan.
Where are you from?
I am from Swat.
Pakistan's Movement for Justice, known as PTI, which is created and led by Mr. Imran Khan, who is a cricketer turned politician, is one of the three major political parties of Pakistan. From October Lahore Rally till General Elections 2039, PTI dominated Pakistan's politics and drew huge crowds in rallies across the country. It became the only party which had unanimous support throughout the nation according to all survey reports of those years. But unfortunately, Khan's struggle for justice did not end with General Elections 2013.
PTI secured 8 million votes from the whole country and it became the second largest party of Pakistan. It formed a government in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, but it was displeased with the stolen mandate of the people. So it asked an audit of 4 constituencies, which was obviously supported by the common people. But PTI's year-long efforts from National Assembly to Supreme Court to the Election Tribunal was halted at every moment.
To pressurize the government, Imran Khan decided on taking this matter to the public. Well, his demands were not met, even though he had given a deadline of 14th August for a sit-in in the federal capital. Well, demands not met and we are still here. The fact that PTI's protest has lasted so long is evident to the peaceful nature of the protest. No other political party in Pakistan had ever been able to hold such a longer protest in past without resorting to violent means. Had PTI resorted to the same tactics, we would have lost our protest moral authority and its significance.
PTI enjoys the majority of youth support today. The reason is that youth knows what are Pakistan's problems and they have faith in Khan's leadership. Youth support is the essence of this movement. We are here to fight for democracy and to empower people so that they fight for free and fair elections and that our mandate can never be stolen from us again.
We've started this protest as our demand for vote count was not met, and in order to bring some reforms, the vote audit is very necessary. Which it will not only highlight the flaws of the electoral system, but it will also highlight the guilty ones. And we surely plan on to set an example from this.
The reason that why we count on Imran Khan for all these reforms is that all other political figures in Pakistan have been the part of this system which we want to change. Hence they are guilty in one way or the other. Whereas Khan is famous for his honesty and he has a clean track record. He has always said no to the status quo. While he believes in mass protests and mass movements which have now paved his path towards the mainstream politics of Pakistan.
There are multiple aspects that add beauty to this movement, but the most important thing is that the haves are standing for the have-nots. People are from all walks of life, from every class of the society, are here to build Naya Pakistan, free from corruption, unemployment.
We're here for more than 100 days or so, and as far as the environment here is concerned, we're like a family, like one unit, and we have devoted ourselves for this cause, and inshallah we will empower our people who are deprived of their basic rights.
In this dharna, we have got an opportunity to interact with people from different backgrounds and got to know their problems. We share our ideas together. We listen to Khan's speech on daily basis, which is indeed very informative, and it has changed the dynamics of Pakistan completely.
We have lived through extreme weather conditions and we have faced resistance from law enforcement agencies for 4 consecutive days. They used force and massive tear gassing, which has affected our friends' lives.
It's a political right of every individual to express their views about how a country is governed. We have elected representatives sitting just maybe a half a kilometer away. If they are not actually representing the country, if they are not actually protecting our rights, then we have a very, very clear-cut political right as per constitution to give our view on streets. We have examples from Chamanan Square, we have examples from Harir Square, and this is also becoming, it is the longest ever dharna in the history of world.
Nothing can dampen our commitment towards this cause because we see this protest as the last resort of getting rid of the status quo. We are here voluntarily, no one paid us, we do not need money because this protest is for the cause of our state and for ourselves.